spring in Bحریہ Enclave, Islam Abad. My name is Mumtaz Khan. This is the construction. You can see 8 marla houses they are building. New construction. You can purchase a plot here. And you can start your company for construction. If you have some experience, it's the best place. My brother and sister living abroad in America, in European Union, South Africa, all over the world. I'm inviting you to invest in Pakistan. This is time to save your homeland, to make it strong. Come and join hands. Invest in Bحریہ. It's a safe property, very safe, very much organized, very clean and neat, with all facilities like security, water, electricity, gas, sanitation, everything is here. Best town planning, Bحریہ Enclave. Come and join. Purchase a property here. Come here. Have a house, furnished house on rent. Come with your family. And then make a plan to settle down your family in Bحریہ Enclave. You can start your business here. Because it's starting, so there is no saturation in the property rate. It is low now. But they will increase. When they will increase, the rates and the market will be saturated. Then it will be difficult for you to purchase a plot or a flat or a house here or a shop. You can also purchase a shop in the commercial area. There are wide roads, greenery, cleanliness, a park to play and a stadium for your children to play here, schools for education. So I invite all my brothers and sisters living abroad to invest in Bحریہ Enclave. You can buy a furnished house here. You can buy a newly constructed house here. You can buy a under construction structure. And you can buy a plot and make. With Bحریہ, you can just develop it. Newly built house. Just see.